Globally, wild capture fisheries are culturally, economically and environmentally vital for many, many people. To manage a fishery sustainably, understanding a species' population structure and its interconnections is key. Yet this foundation of knowledge is lacking for many fisheries. And the fact is, these gaps can debilitate management efforts which can contribute to fishery collapses. Adding to this, when a fishery is depleted, fishers may turn to other important fisheries we know even less about. My PhD research into uncovering Australian yellowfin whiting population structure and interconnections is because yellowfin are at risk of being one of these other fisheries. In over 2 years, I've obtained many yellowfin samples coming from across their distribution, utilising recreational, commercial and government stakeholders who, like me, all want to learn more. I'll also be using a combination of approaches to get my answers. Let me explain. Many watching this have the gift of hearing, and our ear bones enable hearing and balance. They're called otoliths, and fish have otoliths too. If you slice a fish otolith in half, you'll see rings, like tree rings. These rings build up one on the other, often daily, and we count these rings to age fish. As each ring forms, it captures the chemistry coming from within and outside the body, locking it away as a chemical signature. So as the water chemistry and conditions change over time and space, these chemical signatures change. Now, think of the otolith rings like the pages of a chemical diary, documenting a fish's life, with similar signatures collectively establishing where different populations were, when and what they experienced. But otoliths have another characteristic. The shape can also identify different species and subpopulations of the same species. Now, people can often tell where someone comes from based on the shape of their face. Like the face of a stranger, otoliths are similar in that each fish has a unique otolith shape, with similar shapes collectively identifying subpopulations. My research intends to uncover and combine otolith chemical signatures and shapes, helping to build a clear picture and sustainable future for our very own yellowfin whiting fisheries. Sadly, we don't have the resources to research all fisheries. Nevertheless, where relative knowledge is lacking, people can draw on population structure and connectivity understandings I will uncover to assist with management decisions. So, if you hadn't heard about how important fish otoliths are, well, now you have, with a little bit of help from your very own incredible otoliths.